Hello and welcome back. This is part 2 of how to set up your JTDX with automatic uploading to QRZ.com, ClubLog, LoTW and local DX keeper. Any future questions down below the video on the comment section. Let's get started. In this episode we focus in the GridTracker. First, you just press the settings. Okay, the important things of this. This is the automatic numbers. It's showing you how often it's receiving the data from JTDX software. So highest number it's not good, lowest number it's good. As I mentioned before, JTDX will please check part 1 the port numbers. So you see now we're using the port 2237 to receiving the messages, all the messages from the walk in there. This is the 2238 port number. It's not enabled at the moment. It's still standby. Your location, decoding traffic, waterfall, language. Okay, let's get on the second part. This is the walk-ups. It's working only on United States. Yep. So you are able to check any call sign online live with this. Audio, speech rate. So GridTracker is got the settings and can just speak to you. Apologize. Speak to you, and just it's able to read your message, etc, etc. I'm not using it, by the way. Maps by default, grids, color by default, logging. Okay, this is the interesting part now. QRZ.com. So QRZ.com, you need to pay your subscription to get the API key. The API key, it's allowed you upload automatically all the contacts. This is really good. It's really good. It's all depends of your budget. So if you're able to pay for this, that's it. Once you put the API key, you press test. Let's say pass. That means it's working. ClubLog. So your call sign, your password, your email. Test, pass. I'm not using those. LoTW. Yes, I do using this. But using this, you cannot straight upload to your workbook in online. So you need to get another app. I'll show how is this one working. Okay. Once you got this, you got your certificate from LoTW. You just press test TQSL. TQSL is the app. You see, TQSL version 2.65. That's the version of the app I'm using at my computer. So that's it. I'm using just QRZ, ClubLog, and LoTW. Alerts, text to speech or whatever. I'm not using this. Car roster, don't need. Workbooks. Yeah, you still got the workbook into the GridTracker, so you can get back, check the some data, or just pull out the works. That's it. Update and about. It's so clear. Right, let's focus now at the live. At the moment, this is the live radio station, so it's just trying to communicate each other using the FT8. It's quite good propagation today, so you can track this online live. So you see data live, you can mix them workbook only or workbook and live. That means if you decide to work with some radio, with some station, so you always is gonna pop up if the station has been working before or not. But this is very useful information. Workbook and live. Pop, you just put a mixer. You got a lot of setting inside. You just use a mixer. Mode, yes, FT8. We're using FT8, so if you change your mode, you'll definitely use to change this band 40 meters. Yes, we're working at 40 meters. Now, this is the basic settings for the GridTracker, but they're very useful. It's easy. It's nothing complicated. Okay, let's get the next one. Our next app is SpotCollector. A SpotCollector, it's using with my local workbook, so DX Keeper. So to use DX Keeper to get automatic all the contacts, all the QSO, you need to get a SpotCollector. There's no settings in there, nothing. You just need to render and just put them down, and that's it. There's no settings in this. Okay, let's get the my workbook. Okay, the workbook, by the way, it's this software. It's very powerful. Also, you can upload all your QSOs automatically. I'm not using automatic uploads on this. I'm using on the GridTracker. So thanks of the SpotCollector, all the QSOs are automatically uploaded to my workbook. So you see, this is the old date, but I haven't worked since the 2nd of February. I haven't been working FT8, so that's why the date it's quite old. Settings, there's no settings in here, by the way. You don't need any settings if you just following the instructions, and everything else becomes automatic. There was something important. So as I mentioned before, so you need TQSL to upload in the Aero workbook. Okay, this you need to be registered on the website. You just go on the website, register yourself. So once you get the registration in there, you need to wait for your certificate. Once you got your certificate, you can download it to your computer, press Word, course and certificate, select your certificate, open, and that's it. The software, the program will get automatic online, will be working. This is very basic program, so I mean, you don't need anything else, just your call sign certificate, station location. Once you got your certificate uploaded, you create new station location, England, your grid square. That's it, nothing else. Next, bye, finish. There is no way to put straight QSOs in here. So everything you need to do is, if you're not using automatic uploading, Once you finish with this, you just pull your workbook, pull it, and just upload in here. How is this one working? Okay, let me show you. So this is my workbook, some of my old workbooks. You just mark them out, open, and that's it. So you see, second icon, your workbook, open, that's it. It's gonna start a status logs, and all your contacts will be uploaded automatically. So basically that's all, everything what we need for JTDX with automatic uploading. Also, by the end of the video, there's a couple of screenshots of my settings of yaesu-ftdx 10. So take your time, check the settings, they're working perfectly. I have a lot of QSL, so you can check my qrz.com profile. Hope guys you enjoy the video. Like, subscribe for my new videos, and share. Have a good DX 73, the Mike 7, Hotel Uniform Kilo.